What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to use Last Touch Express by Mafra. First we need to understand what this product can do. As it says, it's the last touch, meaning that if we are finishing our car wash, we also want to apply some protection. Well, the rules for protection are very simple. We want to do it fast, easy, simple and cheap. How does it work? We make sure that the car is clean, has a cool surface and is not in direct sunlight, and then we are going to treat every single surface on the outside of the car. It has some quick detailing capabilities, but this product is mostly focused on applying some protection. Quick Detailer also has the capabilities of losing the fingerprints and the bird droppings and some bug impacts, but mostly this product is for the protection. Let's see how we are going to use it. With these type of products, I like to do a little, not too much. I don't want to wipe too much, don't want to have any streaks, just want to apply a homogeneous layer and buff off with ease. Let's see what happens. I'm going to immediately take the plastic with it as well. Couple of sprays. Apply product homogeneously, and I have to be careful because it's very, very silky. Apply product. Right. Flip the towel and buff entirely. Let's see how easy it is to apply on glass. Silky, immediately ready to go. The most beautiful thing about this product is not so much the beading and the sheeting, it's the silk effect. Now for demonstrational purposes only, but to give you an idea from the silk effect made by Last Touch Express.